We sat down for a chat with Ranveer Singh and Priyanka Chopra, who play brother and sister in Dil Dhadakne Do. Check out the super fun interview.
I knew this was coming.
Really? You become predictable, Rano.
Shucks.
She.
What's up, guys? I am Nafisa Sharma and you are watching 9xe.com. And here I am today with the Mehras who've come to talk about the upcoming movie Dil Dhadakne Do. Priyanka Chopra and Ranveer Singh. You guys had a blast while shooting, haven't you?
Killer.
Yeah.
This is one of those films where we can't even say we worked really hard.
Yeah, we didn't, yeah.
We didn't.
We didn't, huh? You felt or what?
Yeah, because we were just chilling. We shot 3 hours a day because there were so many actors and so many other things that Zoya had to shoot. Then we would go to the spa or we'd sit down on the deck and watch the Mediterranean pass by. I mean,
Are you serious?
that was life.
It's an ensemble, so you have like 2-3 days off in a week. You go out, you're at a new place every single day.
Yeah, and the ship docked in like amazing places in all over Europe. So one day we were in France, and the other day we were in Italy, and then there was Barcelona, and so it was just like.
It's a far cry, okay? Like Dil Dhadakne Do is easy, right? So like, what is it that Zoya and Reema write about interpersonal relationships, right? So it's mostly conversational. So
And it's
आज
natural.
आज क्या shoot कर रहे हैं? Nothing. You have to sit on the couch and have a conversation. कल क्या shoot कर रहे हैं? You have to sit at the bar and
Have a conversation. So, what is happening with the Mehra Khandan? आप लोग खुल
what
के
is
बात
happening,
क्यों नहीं
really?
करते हो?
The beauty of this film is it's a reflection of modern families today, which are completely conflicted by society, image. हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कभी-कभी कि एक दूसरे हमारी busy जिंदगी में कि एक दूसरे के साथ जो हो रहा है actually घर में वो इतना जरूरी नहीं रहता.
So
I
it's
feel like you get caught up trying to keep up the facade of being a happy family.
लोग क्या कहेंगे?
Yeah.
and you guys are playing siblings.
Yes.
So, are you a good brother? Is he a good brother to you?
Just want you to know, I think it's extremely cool.
That we're playing siblings,
Yeah.
na?
Are we going to see you guys pulling each other's hair like real siblings do?
I think so. I think
Yeah?
the beauty of this film is I suspect it's based a little bit on
We haven't
Zoya
seen
and
it.
Farhan.
Okay.
And that's how this relationship, it's like modern relationships because, you know, like me and my brother are 7 years apart. So we don't have that really. But when there's such a little negligible gap between the two, then you grow up as friends, you fight just as badly, you treat each other just as badly.
I know.
You can say bad things about each other, but the world can't.
The world can't, right?
And that's an amazing relationship.
How is it working with Daddy Mehra? You're a huge fan of him, huh?
He is a sexy daddy.
Yeah.
Uber cool, super sexy.
What do you say about the guy? I mean, he's my screen idol. He's so a big part of the reason I ever wanted to even become an actor. I grew up in the 90s when Anil Kapoor was Anil Kapoor, and you know, I grew up on his stuff. So to share screen space with him is incredible.
And you sang with Farhan
Yes.
for the title track.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, how was that?
Actually, that idea just came up at a party. We were hanging out and we were like, "Arey, Farhan bhi gata hai. Arey,
Really?
Kisi bhi gati hai. Oh, गाना करना चाहिए." And then they made a song and then we went in.
मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं होता ये? किसी ने ये क्यों नहीं बोला रणवीर को भी गाना चाहिए?
Because when we rap करता है.
Zoya saved her songs by not casting me in there.
Yeah, it was super exciting, I think. And Farhan has always, since the time I've known him from the first Dawn film, told me to explore my singing because he's, you know, a
Really?
musician and he's always been very, you must sing and you must do shows. So even with this, he was very like, you have to do it, and I'm glad I did. It was
So you're going to sing for us? Come on. It's your movie, it's your song. Come on.
the beginning.
अपने ही एक राग है
जज्बात पिघले पिघले है
है
तो
तो
क्यों न हो
ख्यालात बहके बहके
Then
है तो क्यों न हो
दिल
Yeah.
धड़कने दो.
दिल धड़कने दो.
You're supposed to do. I don't
I
make that face.
And then Farhan on the mic. सपने जो है सदन थोड़े से बनो दीवाने.
Nice, very nice. So let's talk about your look in the movie, Priyanka.
It was actually really funny because I went into the film right after Medicom, right? So I had like,
Whoa.
I was like bulkeshwar.
Bulky
So I was like,
Bulkeshwar.
if you come to my film with muscles, it's not going to happen because Aisha's super feminine and extremely like gentle and fragile, which I haven't played for a while. So going into Aisha and being this gentle, feminine, girl was a complete switch on my head.
What about your look?
My look, isn't it fab?
It is. That's what we want to know.
It's just jeans and a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Ranveer doesn't understand that, Yuri.
How much did I fight with?
Curtains and rugs for his clothes. So for him to just wear a white shirt or t-shirt and jeans.
Yuck, man. How much I fought with Arjun Bhasin. I was like, really, man? What is this?
What am I wearing? There's no print.
But yeah, he's very stubborn and he refused to take my input and he made me wear all of those things. But I'm glad he did because it's being liked.
And how was it working with Anushka all over again, considering that so much was written about you guys earlier? Was there any uncomfortable moment or were you fine?
Well, the stuff that's written about us is quite insignificant. What's more important is the bond that I share with her.
Right.
I did my first film with her.
Right.
She'll always be a special person in my life. She was very patient with me. She taught me a lot in my first film, and then I did my second film with her. And then we lost touch because we were doing other movies, but then we got to catch up on Dil Dhadakne Do, which is great. And I was really glad that she decided to do this part because, I didn't expect her to agree to do it. But extremely cool of her to do it because, there is some sort of stigma attached to doing ensemble films in our cinema. But yeah, kudos to her for having the foresight and making a very progressive decision. And she adds so much value to the film.
So did you guys leave it completely to Zoya or were there inputs added by you guys?
There's always inputs added by actors. And Zoya is a very collaborative director. As soon as I did my first few readings and interactions with Zoya on this film, I sense directors, that's how I work. And which ones know what they're doing.
Right.
And which ones really will be able to handle you. And she's one of those.
The thing is, in an ensemble cast, you can't micromanage everyone, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So you have to trust the actors that you've hired and allow them to have their own interpretation.
So that was Priyanka Chopra and Ranveer Singh. Ciao guys.
Bye.
Bye.